Hello friends, I'm Abu Zahir. I'm from MMA College, Manasheri, third year BA History student. Today we will discuss the topic legal and ethical issues of e-commerce. This is a very interesting topic. E-commerce. E-commerce is a very common word. The first topic, what is e-commerce? Electronic commerce or e-commerce, something written as e-commerce, is a business model that lets firms and individuals buy and sell things over the internet. E-commerce operates in all four of the following major market segments: business to business and business to consumer. The next topic, common e-commerce ethical issues. The ethical issues in e-commerce. Web spoofing. The word web spoofing is an electronic deception relates to the internet. And next one is cyber squatting and privacy invention and online privacy and email spamming. The next topic, legal and ethical issues of e-commerce. The weakness of internet advertising offers a solid platform for electronic commerce or e-commerce to exploit. E-commerce has the ability to provide secure shopping transaction coupled with instant verification and validation of credit card transactions. E-commerce is not about the technology itself. It's about doing business leveraging the technology. The technological innovation is followed by frequent incorruption of ethical standards into law. New forms of e-commerce that enable new business practices have many advantages but also bring numerous risks. Let's discuss about the ethical and legal issues related to e-business. The next topic, ethical issues. In general, many ethical and global issues of information technology apply to e-business. So what are the issues particularly related to e-commerce? Let's list some of the ethical issues spawned with the growing field of e-commerce. And the next topic, web tracking. Web tracking is an interest topic. E-business draw information on how visitors use a site through long files. Analysis of log files means turning long data into application service or installing software that can plug relevant information from files in-house. Companies track individuals' movement through tracking software and cookie analysis. Programs such as cookies arise a bit of privacy congresses. The tracking history is stored on your PC's hard disk, and anytime you revisit a website, the computer knows it. Many start end users install programs such as cookie cutters, spam batcher, etc., which can provide users some control over the cookies. And the next one is a privacy. Privacy is a must one. The privacy must electronic payment system knows the identity of the buyer. So it is necessary to protect the identity of a buyer who use a electronic payment system. A privacy issues related to the employees of company is tracking. Monitoring systems are installed in many companies to monitor e-commerce and other web activities in order to identify employees who extensively use business hour of non-business activities. The e-commerce activities performed by a buyer can be tracked by organizations. For example, reserving railway tickets for their personal journey purpose can be tracked. Many employees don't want to be under the monitoring system even while at work. As far as brokers and some of the company employees are concerned, e-commerce puts them in danger zone and results in elimination from their jobs. The manner in which employees are tracked may raise ethical issues, such as how to handle disappointment, displacement, and whether to offer returning programs. And the next topic, disintermediation and intermediation. Intermediation is one of the most important and interesting e-commerce issue related to loss of jobs. The service provided by intermediaries are matching and providing information, and the second one is value added services such as consulate consult consulting. The first type of service, matching and providing information, can be fully automated, and this service is likely to be in e-marketplaces and portals that provide free services. The value added services requires experience, and this can only be partially automated. The phenomenon by which intermediaries who provided mainly matching and providing information services are eliminated is called disintermediation. And the next topic, legal issues. Where are the handliners about consumers defrauding merchants? What about fraud e-commerce websites? Internet fraud and its sophistication have grown even faster than the internet itself. There is change of a crime over the internet when buyers and sellers do not know each other and cannot even see each other's. During the first 4 years of e-commerce, the public witnessed many frauds committed over the internet. Let's discuss the legal issues specific to e-commerce. And the next topic, fraud on the internet. E-commerce fraud popped out with the rapid increase in popularity of websites. It is hot issue for both cyber and click and mortar merchants. The swindlers are active mainly in the area of stocks. The small investors are lured by the promise of false profits by the stock promotes. Auctions are also continuity to fraud, both sellers and buyers. The activity of e-commerce and pop-up ads has paved the way for financial criminals to have access to many people. Other areas of potential fraud include phantom business opportunities and box investments. And the final one, the copyright. The copyrights law protect intellectual property in its various forms and cannot be used freely. It's very difficult to protect intellectual property in e-commerce. For example, if you buy software, you have the right to use it and not the right to distribute it. The distribution right are with the copyright holder. Also copying connects from the website also violates copyright laws. Okay, friends, my topic is completed. Thank you all.